everyone, my name is Lynette Remsangpuii. I am currently a student of Lovely Professional University. I am pursuing a Bachelor of Arts honors in Political Science. Today, I am going to talk about rights and justice. To begin with, rights and justice are the foundational concepts in political science, law, and philosophy. Rights refers to the entitlements or freedoms that individuals possess by virtue of being human, recognized by law or society. Justice is the principle that guides fair, impartial treatment and the equitable distribution for resources, opportunities, and consequences. There are some key concepts of rights. Rights are necessary conditions for individuals to lead a life with respect and dignity. They can be understood as claims recognized by society and enforced by the states. Power alone does not grant rights. Societal recognitions and legal enforcement are essential. The types of rights. The types of rights are civil rights, political rights, social and economic rights, and cultural rights. The civil rights protects individuals' freedom from infringement by the state or others. For example, the freedom of speech and right to fair trial. Political rights is the right to participation in political process like voting and stand for public office. Social and economic rights ensures access to basic needs like education, health care, facility. Cultural rights preserves the right to participate in cultural practices and use one's language and religion. Theories of rights. Natural rights theory are the rights inherited given by nature of God. Legal rights. These rights are created and defined by the states without legal backing. Claims remain powerless. Historical theory. Rights are products of customs, traditions, and historical processes. According to Marxist theory, rights are shaped by the prevailing socio-economic structure and reserve the interests of the dominant class, emphasize collective rights and social justice. Human rights. Universal Declaration of Human Rights defines basic freedoms and protections inherent to all human beings. For example, rights to life, liberty, equality, and education. The principles: universality, inherence, inalienability, indivisibility, and interdependence. Human rights apply to all, cannot be surrendered, and are fundamental for human dignity and societal well-being. Emerging issues: digital rights, reproductive rights, LGBTQ rights, and immigrants and refugees' rights are contemporary debates linked to evolving interpretations of rights. The fundamental rights in India. It enshrines in the Constitution, covering the rights to equality, freedom, protections from exploitation, religious and cultural rights, and the rights to constitutional remedies. Certain rights are universal, while others are exclusive to citizens. The understanding justice. Justice involves fairness, equality, and impartiality. It is about treating individuals and groups according to what they deserve, based on law and societal norms. The core components are fairness, equality, impartiality, accountability, rights. Fairness is equitable treatment and distribution. Equality, uniform respect and consideration for all. Impartiality is the decisions free from bias. Accountability is responsibility for actions. Rights, ensuring fundamental rights and liberties are upheld. The forms of justice. distributive justice, procedural justice, retributive justice, restorative justice, and social justice. Retributive justice, fair distributions of resources and opportunities. Procedural justice, fairness in rules and processes. Contributive justice, fair punishment for wrongdoings. Restorative justice is the repairing harm, reconciliations, and rehabilitations. Social justice, addressing structural inequalities and advocating for equal rights. According to John Rawls' theory of justice, justice is fairness. Social and economic inequalities should benefit the least advantaged. Original position and veil of ignorance principles should be chosen as if one does not know their social status or identity, ensuring impartiality. The two principles are liberty principles and difference principle, equal basic liberties for all. And difference principle is inequalities are justified only if they improve the conditions of the least advantaged people. The critics argued that viewed as too idealistic, questions about global justice and practical relevance and are debated. To conclude my topic, rights and justice are deeply intertwined themes. Rights are meaningful only when recognized and protected with a society. Justice demands that these rights and the benefits and burdens in society are distributed fairly and impartially. Theories and debates continue to evolve as modern society grapples with new ethical challenges and demands for equality. Thank you.